Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install some new seat cover on our RAV4. Come on, let's check them out. All right, so we'll be installing some new seat covers on our RAV4. These are from Cartrimhome.com. So if you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description below. You can also use my discount code FG7P to save 7% of your purchase. Yeah, these are nice. So to begin, we have the complete set in here. We also have some hardware in here, basically the accessories to secure the belts and anchor it properly. And we have this upholstery tool that when we need to push something in between of the factory seats and the panels on the side. So yeah, so that's what we have here. One thing I like about this particular cover, this is the one that you put at the back seat. This is the middle part. So you have access to the cup holder slash armrest. So you can just zip this up to have access to that cup holder or armrest if you're going to use it as an armrest. And also the top here for the headrest, it is open. So yeah, so let's begin installing this. But for the quality of this one, of this seat cover, that's good. This better, way better than my old one. I know it's all creased up right now, but this will disappear after a week or two or a month. So again, once we install this, it's gonna be all right. Okay, and also just one way to find out which one is the driver's side and the passenger side. Look for this pocket in here. This pocket on the side of the seat cover. This should be facing out. This is for the airbag of the seat. So this is the driver's side, okay? And then of course the other one will be the passenger side. All right, just a quick reminder, just to quickly identify which one is which. All right, so let's begin on putting on the cover for the headrest. So what I like about this is it is fully covered in the bottom. Compared it to the old one. So the old one is open the bottom and it is only secured by this velcro. So on the new one, the whole bottom is covered. So for this will be facing forward, the one that has the arc. So they're the one that is gonna be, so see this arc, so the front one will have an arc also. So just simply slide them in and then just massage them until they're fully in. Very easy. So just go around while installing them. There you go. Now here in the back, you have to pull that. Almost there. There you go. So there you go. So it is in. Now we just need to lock it in place. There you go. Again, all of the creases, those will disappear. So yeah, so just leave them in the car and again, that will disappear. So you don't really have to worry about this because this will go down and it won't be seen. But again, the quality on this one is nice. The stitches, very thick thread that they use, very nice. All right. So now let's install let's start with the backrest of the passenger side. I already installed the driver side just to test it out. So let's work on that backrest of the passenger side, all right? And for the backrest, that will be this one, okay? So let's go in the car. All right, so to install this, we just need to slide it here. Again, very easy to install. This, we need to slide in the pocket, not pocket, in the slot, or in between the backrest and so we need to lay this down. Okay, again, we have to put this in here. So we need to push it all the way till we reach it from the back. So this is where the upholstery tool will be helpful. So I'm gonna get that and use it. Okay, so we have this. So we're gonna use it to push. We can pull it from the back. So we're gonna go here in the back. There you go. So it's in here. Let me show you. So the one in the back. So there you go. It goes out here. All you have to do is pull this. Pull it as much as you can. Be careful of the wire, especially the yellow one. The yellow wire is for your airbags on your seats. So be careful on that one. So if you want to remove your battery connections, feel free to do that. But yeah, so all we have to do is pull this as much as you can so that it will look nice in the front. Okay, and then we're gonna put the round anchor in here, then we can secure that later. Okay, so let me continue on pulling this, and then we're gonna work on the actual seat. Okay, all right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're going to put this seat in here. Also, we're gonna need to push this hole into the headrest mount. So just need to push them and it will lock in place. So again, very easy. So if you want to use the upholstery tool, you can do so on pushing them in. But yeah, so there you go. Next, we're gonna lay this down so that we can insert this. So the trick here is we're just gonna try to push this two out, and then we're gonna pull them from the back. There you go. Then we're gonna need to do that. Gonna go in the back, and we're gonna pull those two. And just pull as much as you can, and then double check it. Okay, so if it needs some massaging, you can also use your hand to push it. Okay, whew. So I think that's enough. So on this side, we need to put the hooks in this side. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna put the hook on the side. There you go. Then we're just gonna drop it on the side, and that will be hooked on this one later. So we're gonna pass this through in the back. So I'm just gonna throw that there. There you go. Then the belt, we need to pass them through in the bottom. And also there's two of them. This will go in between of the seat and the plastic cover on the side, which is easy. Just push them. They're foam, You don't have to pull the plastic to avoid any damage. Push the thing, the foam, the seat. So now this easy, they pass through the bottom. Then we're gonna secure them. Again, very easy. Just make sure you go on top of the adjustment. All right. So we're gonna clean this later. Okay. So here in the bottom here, so we got the belt from the front. Put it here in the back and just work this one out. Just lock it in place, pull it as much as you can, and then we need to put this round thingy on this one, okay, so that we can hook the hook, the one that I show you on the side. All right, so again, the one that I've shown you on the side, that hook will be hooking in here. Okay. Okay, so one thing you can do on this side is you can push the upholstery material in between the seat and the plastic. So again, the upholstery tool will be useful on pushing this down. Okay, yeah, so using both hands will be helpful on this. There you go. So just tuck it in here. You have that nice clean look on that side. So again, you can massage this if you want to basically make it perfect. But again, all of the creases will disappear once has been used. So all right, so let's start with the back, okay? Okay, so now right here in the back, so after we remove my covers, the back, so if you don't have an existing cover, you don't have to do that. But removing the actual seat, we need to lift it here in the corner and just lift it. Need some force. There you go. I already lift that side, so we just need to lift this, and then we need to put it on the table. We're gonna remove this, and then we're going to put the new one. Okay, and also this one hooks the bottom here. So there's a hook in here, so it grabs it. So the way you're gonna do it is from the bottom, pull it out. And now we have time to clean this one. Okay, so what I see here, I think we're gonna need to start in the front. If you see this holes, okay, this will go to this. So you need to start from the front. Make sure that you insert that in here, okay, so just like that. So that will help it secure the seat cover in place. So do it on the other side. So now we can actually probably flip it and just make sure that everything is lined up. Okay, so same thing with this. It has a hole, so probably you can just stretch it. There you go. And that will help it secure it properly in place, and all of the belts will go to their corresponding buckle. All right, so do it on the side, the other side. There you go. So let's see, start here in the middle and just pull it as tight as you can. Okay, now you can secure it and it doesn't slide as much. All right, so one of the hook we can install in here. Okay, so once we install the hook, we can put it somewhere, hook it on one of the buckles. That's one way to secure it. That's what I did on my previous one. And yeah, and it was secure in there. So if you want to tie a knot on this one, you can do so. Again, that's one way you can secure this bottom one. All right, so just do the same thing on the other side, then we can just install it. But before we put this back, we're going to install the one in the backrest. All right, so we're gonna start here in the passenger side. One thing I like about this, it has a cutout for the seat belt. You don't have to loosen the bolt. So just pull the seat belt, and then there you go. Just slip it the bottom, okay? And next is we're gonna pull it down, and then going to, oopsie, hold on. So you just need to put it that way. So it has the necessary cutouts for the latch in here for the seat belt, and this will zip on the other side. There you go. And this one has a Velcro which should stick in here. Again, zip it up whenever you're ready. So all we need to do basically is just massage it out, make sure everything is in place. It has this cutout for the latch in here. So yeah, again, very easy to install. You don't have to worry about it. There you go. So again, on the seat belt, we have that access with a cup holder. Again, you just need to work on that side to finalize it. So I'll put the zipper on, so it works like a jacket. So just put that halfway. No, I'm gonna work on the other side. Okay, so before we secure that, I just need to pull this down, and you can pull it, and yeah, there you go. It's on its place. Okay, so just working on the other one. Just slip it in. And you can zip it up in here. So let me push it all the way down. There you go. There you go. Okay, so now I need to put this down so that I can fix the zipper on the other side. All right, so just Velcro that in there, pull it into place. Now we can put the seat. All right, so for the seat, we're gonna go down, then up. So make sure it latches or it hooks. So work on the other side. All right, so once it's hooked, just push it and make sure it's inside and lock it into place. All right, so you just need to put the headrest, and basically that's it. So I'll show you the finished product in a moment. All right, everything's looking good in here. So all of the creases, again, that's just the first week or two, and it will disappear after you've used the cars for several times. The material on this seat covers are thick. They're very nice for sure. It will last long. And yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. Again, cartrimhome.com. You can also use my discount code to save some money on your purchases. All right, again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.